Video scripts. So if you're using your phone, if you're recording videos to prospects, these are excellent. You can do pattern interrupt. So what happens? Most people on LinkedIn, they get just the text messages. That's boring. There's no connection. People don't experience it. Again, I grabbed a script for videos for LinkedIn from the Vidyard website, and I told ChatGPT this: I will give you a template for a video script, and I want you to create a video script based on it. It will be recorded by a marketing agency owner, that's me, offering SDR services to tech companies, and it will be sent to the CEO of such company after the marketing agency owner visited their profile on LinkedIn and read it. The pain point to mention is not having enough meetings booked. It's very nicely structured, so I fed it two things: the about section from the CEO's profile and the script template. And it says, hey, it gave me the intro, the value, why I'm reaching out, why I can, and what I propose, and the call to action for them. Again, very professional. What I can do now is I can use a prompter app, record it on my phone, and send it to them, and I can send it to different things. But instead of me reading their whole profile and everything that they're doing and then writing it up, all the time spent on it, now I do it in a few seconds. So that means that if I only did 5 or 10 of those videos a day, now I can do a lot more, okay, and increase my chances over there and connect to people. And all of a sudden they get somebody who's invested and wrote up a script and really prepared, and not just sending them a boring text message. And that should increase your chances of getting on a call.